Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another update and unboxing, and this is for the brand Police, and this brand makes quite nice fragrances for, especially for the money, okay, for price. Usually they're under £20 in the UK. I think there are similar prices other places as well. You usually can find them everywhere, online shops. There is no shortage, so they're quite accessible. They're you know, for people who don't want to pay or they don't have the money to pay very expensive fragrances, and they usually smell good. The only thing is they lack performance, and this is no exception. For the Police Extreme, this is Eau de Toilette. It's on my skin went around 4 to 5 hours. If you put on t-shirt, it goes a little bit longer, maybe 6 hours. So I would say between 4 to 6 hours on the whole. Projection about 30 minutes of medium projection, and after that it becomes close to the skin. So it's one of those fragrances that it doesn't perform huge. It stays close to the skin. If somebody come close to you, they will smell you. If you move around a little bit, they can smell you as well. In terms of the scent itself, is one of those mixture of modern and classic. So it's quite masculine, but at the same time it's a little bit on the modern side. It is quite fresh, it's aromatic, it's a little bit nutty, it is a little bit floral and also woody in the base. Overall, it's quite nice fragrance, especially for what you pay. It's not a groundbreaking, it's quite actually generic. There's nothing to excite you, but it smells nice. Okay, so when you smell it, it's okay, it smells nice. Overall, I'll give it maybe recommended if you like this kind of fragrances, which is quite generic, quite, you smelled it many times before. This DNA starts up with citruses, and then it goes to the mid, which is dominated by lavender, and there's a little bit of nutmeg in there, and then it goes to the base, which is dominated by tonka bean and some cedar in there. So again, this DNA has been done many times before, so when you smell it, say, okay, I've smelled it before. Nothing exciting, nothing groundbreaking, smells nice. Okay, so let's go to today's unboxing first impression, and this is another of the Police house, and this one is called Bad Guy Eau de Toilette. This is 125 ml. Sorry about the noise when you do the unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So the box is quite big, but it's alright. It's a bit on the juvenile side. It's a bit, let's say, very particular taste. It's okay, I don't mind it. And the box itself is quite nice again, especially for the price. I paid under £20 for this. And then is a skull. The shape of the bottle is a skull, and it's got a P for police as a like a dangly charm on it. So as you can see, it's black skull. You can't see through it, and it's got one of those stoppers. How do you open the stopper? Oh, okay, so it comes out with this, and then the sprayer. Again, the sprayer is okay, it's nothing exciting, it's not good, but it's okay, it does the job. Alright, so Police, this one is called Bad Guy, 125 ml, and this is EDT. How does the first sniff and first impression? Smells good. Again, As I said before in this on the last video, this brand makes, in terms of smell, very good. In terms of blending, very good. Presentation, okay. And in terms of sprayers, no good. And then longevity and projection lacks. So this one smells very good, opens up beautiful, very, very citrusy. Very citrusy, quite sweet. Again, aromatic, quite spicy. Wow, again, very nice smell. Again, one of those smells that is like hint at classic, but it's modern in the same time, because they get this, they have this sweetness, generic sweetness from that vanillic base. I can smell something like a vanilla, something like maybe sweet caramel, something like that. Okay, so it's quite sweet in the base, but it's very nice. I like it. It says, again, another surprise from the House of Police. As I said, they were good fragrances, smell good. If you don't mind the presentation, if you don't mind the bad atomizers, and if you don't mind longevity, because they lack, what you should do, you should apply more. Because the sprayers are quite not good, what you should do, you should basically every 2 spray it counts as 1, because they don't give that much juice. So if you want to apply it to last, you have to apply, say, 15-20 sprays in order to stay quite a while. And also the best thing is to put them on t-shirt, and this way they will stay even more. But the opening is gorgeous. Again, very nice blending. It doesn't smell synthetic whatsoever. It smells very good mixture. It is quite citrusy and sweet, aromatic. It is a little bit herbal. It is a little bit spicy and woody. So opening, again, very, very nice. I'll let you know in the next video the longevity and the development, things like that. But they make good fragrances for very, very cheap prices, but they don't perform very, very big. They don't last very long. They don't project very big. So that's the only negative thing about House of Police. Otherwise, in terms of the perfumery and mixture, they are usually very, very good. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining me as always. Thumbs up if you like this video, if you find it useful, if you find it entertaining, or you find it informative, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for future videos. Hit that bell icon for get the notification, and share it with others. This way you help me to expand my channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.